Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your privacy settings in the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the privacy button. And as you can see, these are the settings that you can manage within this section. So you can enable findability, personalized advertising, and site customization. And you can set the required cookies and technologies as well. So just click on the one that you want to enable, and then you can disable them anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.